Sliders are a great way to add interaction to your app. In this tutorial, we'll be creating a custom slider built on a scale of 1 to 100. Step 1. Adding our elements. Within your project, add a text box and a slider to your canvas. Adjust the properties of each. The text box will act as the number that changes depending on the position of the slider. Step 2. Creating an interaction. Click on the slider, select Interaction, and then add an interaction. Step 3. Defining the interaction. For trigger, select Slider Drag underneath Form. For action, select Set Variable under Logic. Under Variable Name, we'll create a new variable and we'll label it slider_position. Then select Numeric for variable type. Under Value Type, select Callback Value from Event. And for Callback Value, select Value Percentage. Alright, let's recap what we've done. When the slider is dragged, which is the trigger, a new variable will be created. That's the action. And this variable will be numeric, it will be a number, and it will be based on the slider's position on the scale, which is the value percentage, which ranges from 1 to 100. Step 4. Create a callback. Create a callback by selecting the Callback option. Under Action, select Change Property. For Screen, select your current screen. For Item, select the sample text that we previously created. For Property, select Text. For Value Type, select Read from Variable. And lastly, for Variable Name, select the variable that we previously created, slider_position. Alright, here's what we've done. We've created a second action called a callback that automatically begins after the first is complete. This action uses the variable that we created, read from variable and variable name, to change the property of the text to a numeric value based on the slider's position. Step 5. Save the interaction. Make sure to then save your project, and let's preview. Alright, there we have it. As the slider changes position, the text changes to reflect the position of the slider on a scale of 1 to 100. As you can see, both the initial interaction and the callback are working perfectly.